We got a whole upper floor done. We got our bed in. We'll have some other stuff to put in here. We got all of this bricked in. Today we are going to certainly finish our balcony. Boom. Hold it all the way around. We also have a few more doors and stuff we'll have to cover up eventually. A door will be right here. I think it'd be kind of cool. Maybe we also like a little staircase or something. I think we can build a nice railing this way. Boom. Okay. All right. Nice. I just need one more log.